Okay, explain everything. That's what we're on today. This is the very first of a series. If you don't know where it is, I'm on an iPad at the moment. Pull down, type in explain. There are two different versions. Well, I've got two different versions. Farber colleagues will have the white with the blue background. Thomas Scott colleagues may have the blue with a white background. They do pretty much the same thing, but the white with the blue background allows us to be able to buy subscription based. So the initial home screen allows you to be able to view your recent projects, see all your projects. Okay. It has a series of guides that allow you to be able to tap on and just see and hear what other people are doing with Explain Everything. So you get a bit of an idea about what you could do, okay, which is quite nice. You've then got how to learn. So if you want to find out how to do something, then there's a little series of videos that allow you to then learn how to use the software a little bit better. At the bottom of the screen, we've got a library button. That's all your own documents. There's your learn button, so that gives you access to how to do different things. I love these quick tips at the top. They're really helpful. And then you can search for any projects. As you build projects, you can search for them. It makes it a bit easier to find things. So that, I suppose, the next thing is looking then at inviting or collaborating within Explain Everything. So if you have a colleague that you're working together on something, you could collaborate on that. You can join and Explain Everything. So you could be that you share a code with somebody and they can join in and then work together. And then obviously there's a share button, which allows you to share how to do your Explain Everything in different formats. Okay, so there's a very brief overview of Explain Everything to get you started.